Imagine you are in a real distress situation at sea, where every second matters, and your survival depends on being detected by rescue forces. The Search and Rescue Transponder, or SART, is the equipment designed to make that happen, but it will only save lives if it's tested properly.
Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my channel Navigator Noma. So friends, today topic is SART. So today I will show you what is SART. Basically SART is Gmdss equipment. So how it works, what is SART basically, how it works and when it is used. Okay, so let's go, I'll show you. So friends, you can see this is the SART basically. Okay, so SART is a search and rescue transponder. So I will show you how it works. The instructions are written over here. Okay, how to operate, all the instructions are given. You can see this written SART, that is search and rescue radar transponder basically. Okay, so it works on 9 GHz frequency, and the instructions are written over here. Okay, so how it operates, basically one safety pin is given. This is the red safety pin. So as soon as we pull it off, this switch will go up. You can see here it is on written. Okay, so as soon as you pull it off, this will go up and this SART will activate. Okay, so as soon as it activates, it will transpond to X-band radar. It will not transport to S-band radar, only X-band radar. Okay, so it will show the concentric circle on the radar, and the distance between the SART and the radar, when it increases, so this concentric circle will change into the dash line, means dotted lines. So it will give you the direction. So on that direction the ship can proceed and help the persons, or go for search and rescue. Okay, so this is the basically SART. And on the ship the requirement is minimum 2 SART should be on board. So this is the operating part, but I will show you how it operates, because one option is for activating, another option is for testing. So we are testing on monthly basis. For testing we have to just, this switch should be pressed down. As soon as pressed down, same concentric circle will be shown on the radar. I will show you. Okay, so friends, now I am testing the SART. Okay, so I will press this switch down, and as soon as I press down, it will transfer to X-band radar. Okay, so as X-band radar will show the concentric circle. Okay, so you can see now I am pressing down. So friends, now you can see the concentric circle on X-band radar. Now we are testing the SART. There is one person holding the SART and standing outside viewing. So now here bright concentric circle. So now there is one question for you guys, and the question is, how many concentric circles are there when we are testing the SART on X-band radar? If you really like the video, please like the video, comment and share and subscribe also. So it will motivate me to make more and more videos. So friends, take care, bye bye.